Today we have a cute little 2-bedroom, 2-bath house on Grove Street in Northport, Florida. Let's go take a look. So clearly you got a carport. You see that big old tank? So it's natural gas stove. Landscaping's in good shape. Cute house. Come in. Living room. You'll see ceiling fans in most rooms. Dining area. Galley kitchen. Central heat and air, of course. Great big closed off lanai, which isn't part of the central heat and air, which is excellent because you don't have to cool this part of the house. Saves energy bills, but if you want to, it's got its own little air unit. That door goes out to the carport. This is a very large laundry room slash storage room slash work room. Hard to get it in, but I think you get the idea. And we have the slider that goes from the dining area, and then we've got a slider right from the master bedroom. So let's take a look right into the master. It's got full bath. It's got double closets. One closet. Two closets. Another bedroom. AC is built in 2020, new AC. Main bath, beautiful. Little linen closet right here. That's the house. Now we'll go take a look. And I think one of the greatest features of the house is this huge fenced backyard with concrete patio pad. Look at that yard. Very nicely maintained. Lots of room for your stuff. Fully fenced. And look at this 2-car garage slash workshop. How cool is that? So there you have it, Grove Street in Sarasota. Contact 941-225-8183. Have a great day. Thanks for taking a look, and God bless you. Bye-bye.